team of Fantastic Four.
Hey guys, so we just climbed up the Queenstown Hill walkway, and actually, since we're in New Zealand, what I should say is that we tramped up the hill because that's what they say for hiking here in New Zealand. So it was a pretty steep climb actually, but everybody made it and we were rewarded with these amazing views. We have decided that New Zealand needs to have we need to have new words to describe our experience here, because everywhere we look it is so beautiful, and words like beautiful and awesome and incredible and amazing and awe-inspiring, we just need more words. It's fabulous.
So Queenstown Hill and Queenstown area is really important to the native Maori. They used to come here to hunt, and during certain seasons it was a really important thing, and so this Queenstown Hill area is actually considered sacred to the indigenous people here. The other thing is, at the very top there's a really cool sculpture. It's called the Basket of Dreams, and if you lay in it you're supposed to make a wish and your wish will come true and all that sort of thing, but it's really, really neat. Yeah, the views are incredible, but that gets redundant in New Zealand pretty much. So
yeah, because pretty much everywhere you look, everywhere you turn, no matter where you are, it's amazing.
Yes. Well, this morning we're out in Queenstown and we're off on another adventure. We're going to go ziplining this morning, and part of the ziplining adventure is climbing this mountain, which is about a mile, and they said it'd take about an hour to maybe hour and 15 minutes.
It's going to be a long hike, but as long as you get to zipline at the end, I'm okay with it.
So we're climbing up to go to the zipline tour, and we paused to rest, and then right behind us we spotted these guys. So we just got done with our ziplining tour, and we thought we'd just share with you our experience. So you want to fill them in?
There are two routes that you can take with this ziplining company. There's the Moa route, which is 4 ziplines, and then the Kia route, which is all 6 ziplines, including the world's steepest zipline. We didn't take the Kia route because Eden didn't weigh enough, but we took the Moa route, 4 ziplines, and it was really fun. The guys who helped us were super nice, and along the way they taught us about, they gave us like an eco tour, I think they called it, and so they taught us about the area and the history of the area, and about the invasive species in this in the area, and about the Moa bird who used to live here and who the zipline course was named after, the Moa track. They were huge, like 9 feet birds, and the Maori who used to live here, they got overhunted, unfortunately, and they're now extinct. And then there was another bird they taught us about, a big eagle who used to live here, and when the moa went extinct, because the moa was their primary food, the eagle resorted to eating Maori children, unfortunately. So just a lot of things like that they filled us in on, and it was pretty cool.
Yeah, they did a great job. Just very friendly people, but it wasn't just, hey, we'll hook you up and let you go down the zip line. I think they were really interested in educating you about this area and the history of the area. So all in all, good tour. Yeah,
It was a good tour, yeah.
we give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Hey guys, we're wrapping up our time here in Queenstown. It has been phenomenal. Certainly if you're an outdoor enthusiast, you're gonna love Queenstown. The hiking trails that we've been on, the zip lining was fabulous today. They have bungee jumping. They just have everything you think of. The lake is beautiful. They have all kinds of stuff on the lake. But anyway, it's been a great time.
Yeah, I don't think we've been anywhere else in the world that has been so epic in terms of its outdoor experiences. I mean, even just in the subdivision where we're staying, the outdoor life is amazing. Right by the river, and we're right by mountains, and anyway, it's awesome. Definitely recommend this place to everyone.
So Eden, what do we tell them?
If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up.
And comment below what your favorite outdoor activity is, and subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming.
Yep, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
How you doing? Seems to be a lot of sitting on this hike. Any comments? So this is the part of the show where we do a little comedy. How you doing, Autumn? You gonna make it?
No.
Are you puffed?
Yes.